Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chili potato step by step. First, select about 2 large potatoes and peel them. Cut these potatoes into uniform finger-like shapes, approximately 1/4 inch thick. Next, soak the cut potatoes in cold water for about 30 minutes. This helps remove excess starch. Finally, blanch the potato sticks in boiling water for 2 minutes, then drain them well. This preparation is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy texture. Now, let's get those potatoes perfectly crispy. Heat about 3 cups of cooking oil in a deep pan to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the blanched potato sticks in small batches until they turn a light golden color, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes per batch. For extra crispiness, increase the oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and fry them again for 1 to 2 minutes until deep golden brown. Drain them thoroughly on paper towels. With our potatoes ready, it's time to create the irresistible chili sauce. In a separate pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and sauté 1 tablespoon each of minced garlic and ginger until fragrant. Add 2 chopped green chilies and 1/4 cup of diced onion, cooking until softened. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. A slurry of 1 tablespoon cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons water will thicken the sauce beautifully. The final step brings everything together for a delightful chili potato experience. Add the crispy fried potato sticks directly into the prepared chili sauce. Gently toss everything together, ensuring every single potato stick is evenly coated with that flavorful sauce. Garnish generously with 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds and 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped spring onions. Serve your homemade chili potato immediately, while it's hot and wonderfully crispy for the best taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.